In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit Toncoin Ton into Telegram wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your Ton from another wallet or exchange into your Telegram wallet safely and confidently. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. On the home screen, look for the Wallet tab and tap it to open. If you don't see a Wallet tab, tap the search icon in the top right, type Wallet, open the wallet bot that appears, and then tap Open Wallet. This brings you into Telegram's built-in wallet experience. On the wallet screen, look for Tonspace, which may still be marked as beta. If Tonspace isn't visible yet, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Find Tonspace, beta, and turn the toggle on. Head back to your home screen and you should now see Tonspace available. Next, tap Tonspace, select Toncoin, also labeled as Ton, and choose Deposit. You'll see your unique Ton wallet address on the screen. Tap to copy it. Take a moment to verify the first and last few characters after you copy. This simple check helps you avoid any mix-ups since crypto transactions can't be reversed. Now switch to the wallet or exchange where your Ton is currently stored, for example, Tonkeeper. Log into your account, tap Send, and paste the Ton address you copied from Telegram wallet. Some platforms may offer a field for a comment or memo. This is optional for Ton in many cases, but follow any instructions provided by your exchange to prevent delays. When you're ready, tap Continue. Enter the amount of Ton you want to transfer, tap Continue once more, then carefully review all the details. Make sure the destination address matches exactly, the network is set to Toncoin, and you're comfortable with any fees shown. When everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. After you confirm, the transfer will be broadcast to the blockchain. Processing times can vary depending on network activity, so give it a moment. Return to your Telegram wallet and keep an eye on your Ton space. Once the transaction is completed and confirmed on the blockchain, your updated Ton balance will appear in Telegram wallet. If it doesn't show right away, refresh the view or wait a little longer for confirmations to finalize. That's how you can successfully deposit Toncoin into your Telegram wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.